Hello everyone! Welcome back to Online Scam Advisor, your trusted place to uncover the truth about trending websites and online products. Today, we're going to talk about a website that's been popping up a lot recently, Lush Farm. Is it really a legit place to buy seeds for gardening, or is it just another scam designed to take your money? Let's find out. Lush Farm claims to be an online seed store where you can buy different types of seeds for flowers, vegetables, and plants. On the surface, it looks like a dream come true for gardening lovers. Affordable prices, variety, and easy-to-order options. But as we always say here, a good-looking website doesn't always mean it's trustworthy. Let's break it down and do a scam check. Website age and AMP. Details. Many scam websites are newly created and don't provide clear company details. Did you notice if Lush Farm clearly shows who owns it or where it's based? Customer reviews. When I looked around, I couldn't find many genuine customer reviews from trusted platforms. A legit seed company usually has feedback on Google, Trustpilot, or gardening forums. Return and AMP. Refund policy. Their policies are either unclear or too good to be true. That's always a warning sign. Payment options. If they push only online payments without secure gateways like PayPal or credit card protection, that's risky. Another big concern is whether the seeds they sell are actually what they claim. Some customers online have reported receiving poor quality or even completely different seeds. If a company can't deliver the product they advertise, that's a serious issue. So is Lush Farm a legit website or a scam? Based on the red flags and lack of reliable customer reviews, I'd say proceed with extreme caution. If you really want to try them, only place a very small order and make sure you pay through a secure method. But honestly, it might be safer to stick with well-known and verified seed sellers. Have you ever bought from Lush Farm? Share your experience in the comments below. It might help someone else avoid a bad purchase. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Online Scam Advisor, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next scam-busting review. Thanks you, and stay safe while shopping online.